Step one of this method is very simple. We need to find a rare affiliate program, and this is a program that has to be independent or on an affiliate network that you haven't heard of. So to find these rare affiliate programs, we're going to be using a website called Capterra.com. I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. So head over to Capterra.com and switch over to the categories tab right here in the top. So hit on categories, and this should give you a screen similar to this. To get to the categories, simple, you just switch over to categories and it will list for you the various types of categories, but I'm not going to do that because it will take most of my time for this video, and I want to keep this very short as possible. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find a rare category. So by a rare category, I mean something that you have never heard of, or that something that you are familiar with but you didn't expect to have an affiliate program. So that is the first step to this method. Find a rare affiliate program. So for this example, we're going to go with the password management software. If you don't want this category, you can go find other categories. There's lots of them. And there's also the meeting software. So people who have companies and they want to host their own meetings, you can go in there and find an affiliate program. So how do we find the affiliate programs? It's very simple. So we head over here, we look for businesses that have about 4.5 and above star ratings. So that's the first thing we need to look for when you are finding a good business to promote. So for this example, we're going to use the Keeper business. I know this one here because I have seen it on one of the networks I'm an affiliate for, but I'm not going to get into that. So it has a 4.7 star rating, which is good and fits the criteria we are looking for, which is a 4.5 stars and above. Anything below than that can be good. Try it out and see, but in my case, I found that 4.5 stars and above is the best one to start with. Once we are done to go, then we shall move on to the next step. If you're enjoying the content so far, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to let YouTube's algorithms know that we are fast becoming one of your best content creators on their platform. This is important because YouTube has been hiding our content as of lately, and you'll also stay updated with all our future uploads. Step number 2 is to check out the website and see what the product is and get familiar with it. So for this example, this one is a password soft management software that allows people to go and manage their own passwords, store them safely away from hackers and all that interesting stuff. So it's sort of like a cybersecurity app that enables people to safely protect their passwords on all devices, and they have a free trial as well. So this is a very good one because it's going to be easier to convert people into a free trial than a one-time purchase. So you can see here the promotional strategy is gonna involve us getting the free trial as well to test out the software and show people through the software. What do I mean by this? We're gonna head over to Google and we're gonna type in Keeper business review or password management review for Keeper, something along those lines. And when we look at the search results in here, we can notice something that Capterra shows up the very website we have been on, and we can see some videos here. Guys, this is really important and very powerful, and you should really know that it really works. So if you look at this video here, it says Keeper versus LastPass, and this person here is giving a review on the Capterra website, but there are no affiliates that are promoting Keeper business on Google. On they are affiliates, of course, on YouTube, but their videos are not showing up on Google. So how are we gonna do this? It's very simple, and it has been a cool trick that I've been using these days. You will notice that most of my videos have timestamps, and this as well will have timestamps. So this video here says key moments in the video. You can hit the drop down menu and you see that this video has timestamps. This is a cool trick that I've used in the past to rank many of my videos on all the other channels that I own, and you can go ahead and customize your YouTube channel to rank for your YouTube video, to rank on Google using this very trick. So how we're going to do this? Simple. We're going to type in Google and see that our videos are showing up. So that already tells us that the best way to get onto Google, the first page, is using a video. So if you don't want to make a video, I'm going to link up a video right now in the cards here. Go watch a video, or I will leave some notes in the description down below on how to use a tool called OneNote that will help you go ahead and create videos using a robotic software, or I'll leave a link to that very video as well. So you can see here there are a few websites here, and this, you can notice that TechRadar is a very big technology website, so you don't stand a chance writing an article to rank for this one. So the best way is going to be through a video, and we shall head over to the website, scroll all the way down. So let's try to scroll all the way down until where you see the word, the link to the affiliate program. Here it is. So there's influencer program, partner network, and the affiliate program. So hit on affiliate program. This should take you to the next screen that should look similar to this. So you can see to sign up for this keeper one, we need to join a network called Rakuten. So Rakuten is a very good affiliate network. I've been a part of this network for a couple of months now. It's a very good one. I really like it. It's similar to Share Sell, and you need the website to get through, but whether you don't have a website and you have a YouTube channel, that's a great thing to go through. So you can hit on join now and join the affiliate network. Once you have your link, we're gonna move on to the next thing, is that we need to assess the competition to see that there is traffic or people who are interested in this topic. So to do that, we're going to use the Hrefs keyword difficulty checker. So you can see here, we can see that there is traffic. The very first result gets about 1,128 and is organic people every single month, but it's ranking for 619 keywords, and I wouldn't be surprised if the traffic is higher than that, because the keyword has a very high keyword difficulty, which is 48, and it's ranking for many keywords. So those many keywords are pulling in a lot of traffic as well. So to get onto this, we are gonna use a video, and we're gonna be getting a little bit of that traffic from Google and YouTube, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below to a tool called Video Marketing Blaster you can get. It can help you rank and increase your chances of ranking on Google as well. So once we are ready to go, we're gonna analyze the competition. But before we do that, I want you to take a moment and head over below this video and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Go ahead and support me to reach that goal. Then let's continue. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go over to YouTube, and we need to analyze the competition on there as well. So we type in our very keyword and look at the search ranking results. You can see here, these are the search ranking results that we have got, and the one thing I want you to notice is that the second result here is a smaller channel. How do I know this? I opened up that in a new tab, and you can see here, if we scroll down, it has only 18 subscribers, and this is a channel that has got over 1,000 views from this very period, and this video was made in April of this very year. Guys, I hope you're seeing the power of this method. It's really powerful, and I would recommend you go ahead and try it out. So before I go on and close out the video, the one thing I wanted to encourage you to do is to go ahead and have timestamps in your video. So you can see this channel has timestamps, and I would highly recommend you do that for all your videos going on and or starting your YouTube channel. So it's really helpful, and I would encourage you to do that. Then the other thing I would encourage you to do is to go and read the reviews that are ranking on Google, learn about the tool, and go ahead and get familiar with it. Get the free trial. So if you go back to the official website here, you can see you can get a free trial. So try Keeper free. Go ahead and get for a free trial for personal use. Go ahead and fill this out and get your free trial. If they ask you for the credit card or something like that, go get the free trial using your official bank card, then cancel before the 30 days comes around the corner. So that's something to keep in mind. If they ask you for the card, go get the trial, use the software and get familiar with it, teach people how to use the software, and have your affiliate link in the description of the video. And that's how easy it is to make these affiliate sales. This is how I'm able to make some good commissions on these sort of lesser talked about softwares and programs that are not even on ClickBank or these affiliate networks. So that is the method here, and I would encourage you to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.